Hey YouTube, welcome to Kenny's Online Videos. I just ordered a double burner foundry furnace from Temu and I am unboxing it now. Alright, it looks like they have another box inside this box. Open it here. Got some piping. So this one here, I believe is a 16 kilogram is the size. So definitely larger than the one I have been using. And it also does have the hinged lid. And I think it comes with a larger crucible as well. Extra ceramic insulation. Oh, 2 crucibles, so it does come with a smaller one. I believe this is the same one I've been using, about a 6 kilogram crucible. And then in here is the much larger one. I think it's 16 kilograms. And it looks like it comes with a mold as well. Alright, so this is what it looks like once it's all put together. I forgot to show in the video when I was unboxing the valves that it came with. These 2 red hoses. And the regulator along with the pressure gauge. So that's what it looks like, fully assembled. And you can see the difference in size from the one I was using. As far as comparison goes, definitely an upgrade. So this is the size crucible I was using. I believe it's a 6 kilogram. The new one did come with one of these crucibles, a little shorter, but looks a little bit wider. But it also came with a big 16 kilogram crucible. So can definitely fit a lot more wire at once in there. So right now I've been running this for about 15 minutes. I've added wire in there a few more times. It does melt quicker than my other furnace. And I've only been running it at about 5 PSI. Right now I have it just under 5 PSI. For the price I paid, I think it was around $180. About the same, if not a little more than what I paid for my other furnace. It is doing a great job. I can't complain for the price. And so far the build quality looks great. And everything's working very well. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.